Hello world, welcome to EasE Photoshop. Today, we're going to cover the basics of Photoshop 7. You may download it from the link in the description. Let's get started. Open Photoshop, go to File. Here, you'll see many options. I am going to cover the first 7 in this tutorial. New, Open, Browse, Open As, Open Recent, Close, and Close All. Browse. It open a window at the right, naming File Explorer. Here you will see your photos. Open workers with the same logic, but the window comes at the center. Open Recent. It is the list where you will see your last 10 photos opened in Photoshop. So, we open the window. Now to close this window, we will press Close. Press Close All, to close all the window. Now, before we move to edit, let's open a file. I brushed over it. Now I want to remove it. So we got to edit, press undo. But there is a problem with undo, because it changes to redo after undoing it. I show you, I brushed many times. Now if I press undo again and again, it will toggle the last brush. So to now press another button, step backward. Its shortcut is Alt plus Ctrl plus Z on Windows and Option plus Command plus Z on Mac. To step forward, press step forward, or Ctrl plus Shift plus Z on Windows, CMD plus Shift plus Z on Mac. Now, if we press undo, it will take us to where we started stepping back. Now let's go to Image tab. Before starting, check that the mode selected is RGB color. Adjustment tab contains levels, curves, contrast, etc. Levels is a wonderful for adjusting levels. There are 3 buttons naming Auto Levels, Auto Contrast, and Auto Color. Curves, it allows you to some adjustments using curves. It will be very helpful later on. To adjust it, click anywhere on the line and move it. You will see the difference. If you are not able to see it, make sure your preview button is checked. You will also see 3 eyedroppers, containing black, gray, and white liquid respectively. These are used to tell Photoshop which are the dark gray and white color in the image. You can also draw the curves using pencil tool at the bottom. Color balance. It is used to do some adjustments in color. There are 3 sliders: cyan, red, magenta, green, and yellow. They are the RGB and the negatives. Brightness and contrast. They are the 2 sliders, adjusting brightness and contrast. Hue saturation is used to colorize it, or change the hue, saturation of the image. Desaturate, it means to make the image black and white. Replace color is used to replace color. Then the next one for your use is invert, which make the negative of the image. Then let's get on to filter, because in between ones are not so useful now. There are many types of filters. I can't cover every one, so I am telling you the working of some. Go to Artistic Colored Pencil, adjust pencil width, stroke pressure, paper brightness, then click OK. That's how every filter is used. It is looking perfect. Now go to Windows. There you will see many buttons. Try to check every box, then go to Workspace and save it. That's it for today. I hope you find the tutorial useful.